Hi everybody, so today I want to talk to you about the Viltrox S05 from Weeylite. These are little RGBWY light panels. That's red, green, blue, white, and a yellow, which is kind of incandescent light, that are great for highlight lights. Now, to give you a quick idea, I do have a couple of these set up in this shot. I have one wheelie light up here just above the camera lighting. You can probably see it bouncing off my glasses if you look hard enough. I have another one over here that's blue. That's adding a bit of blue tinge to the background. And then I have another one, I think it's red back there. It's kind of giving me a bit of a purple and that sort of setup. And I do have a little bit of natural light coming over from this direction from the windows, but I've cut back quite a bit of light in order to do this. Now, Viltrox was nice enough to send me 4 of these little lights, so I did keep one packaged to show you just a quick little unboxing to give you an idea of what's in the package. And then I need to open it. I didn't take that one out. What do I have to open this? There we go. So it comes in a little package. It's very compact. You have, the first thing that comes out is the Weeylite light itself. There are several colors to this light, so you can have it where different ones are set up for different colors, or you can have it up where they come whatever color combination you need, or you can actually order them all the same color if you want. Depends on what your style is. Also in the box is a cold shoe mount. There's a 1/4 inch 20, and you can just screw it in here at the bottom like so, and add it onto the top of your camera. So this would work really well as a vlogging light if you just had something very small and simple. Right now on top of my camera, I do have the DD4 microphone set up, so that's what you're listening to right now in the room. I'm trying to keep things as simple and compact as possible. On the back, there are 4 controls. There is the power button, the mode button, and then up and down to control these lights. Now, these lights can also be controlled by your smartphone using one of Weeylite's apps, which was how the Weeylite S03 was. The reason I was really excited about getting these lights and reviewing them was because I was using the S03 lights before, which are these guys here. They're nice, small, compact lights, and they work really well, and you just have to turn them on, boom, and there you go. And then you can go onto your phone and using the app, actually change the color of the light. And this is actually really useful. However, one of the downsides I had about the S103 is that it's only app controlled, and I just realized I'm now controlling all the lights in here. Yeah, all the lights. So all the lights go. I should probably explain that one. Yay, disco ball. Which, depending on which group you are, A, B, C, D, F, when you turn on the app, basically that's the light goes to. So if I want to, I could go turn off this light, turn it on in B group, and now control just this light and have the rest of the light scenes, they're now set to white, which is fine. However, despite this being super advantageous, this does give you one big problem, which is you have to use the app for everything, and you have to ensure that the lights are turned on in the proper order with the app groups if you want to use them in different groups. Which is why the S05 is a nice upgrade, because yes, you can still use the app and they will be controlled by the app if you turn them on. The S05 has an actual control system in the back. So you can actually turn this on and have it where you can control the color of the light, switching it from various hues and intensities by pressing the buttons on the back. There we go. You can control the light with various hues, intensities, and controls, and through different lighting panels, and there's a lot of different options on the back. So with the mode button and going in controls, you can actually set through a bunch of different lighting situations, like matching different gels. You can have it set up where it will do special effects, where it'll actually just, pulse a color, and fair warning here, this is going to get a little crazy. You can get like different pulsing lights for different scenes. This is particularly useful for movies, but also if you're just doing different types of photography and you want a bunch of different lights. I did a video about that. You can check it out here in the corner, where I basically ran the S03s through a whole bunch of different light flashing setups. But as you might guess, there we go, switch it back to this white. It's using the RGB white, yellow lights in here. Yes, it has a white light and it has a yellow light for like incandescent shots to really give you a good color overall. And because you can individually control these directly in the back, or you can use them through the app. Just remembering that with the app, you have to make sure you start them up the right way. Otherwise, you'll end up with some really weird setting. So this is with all the lights turned off in the room. And I just wanted to go through and show you that you can do red, you can do green, you can do blue, you can do white, which is this, which is, you know, a cool white, or you can also do yellow. And this is using the yellow RGBs in here. So it's actually got 5 lights in these little controls, similar to the S03, but it's a bigger panel, more output, a longer battery life, and also just simply, again, controls on the back, or again, you can use the app to control these. I really like these, and as I said before, they can be really useful in settings. And finally, these lights are very affordable. I think the pricing is about $30. I'll post the actual number up here off the website, and I will put links below where you can purchase them if you are interested. In my next video about this sort of move to my office web series, I have gone and purchased a softbox that I will be putting on this light up here so that I can increase the intensity of the light without it getting too bright on my face. Because if I just turned on one of these lights at full blast as a fill light and post it up here, you can sort of see what it does to my face. It's too bright on my face, and you still have a ton of spill back here. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make that cool YouTuber cave where you're lit and the background is cool colors, but not as bright. So be sure to stick around for the next video, and until then, just keep pressing that shutter button.